Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Monica Gupta. Have you ever had teeth whitening using a dental bleaching kit? Okay, so in today's video, we will see what a bleaching kit contains.
So this is a Florence Prevest 10 Pro bleaching kit. This comes in two types of packaging. This is a single patient kit and other is two patient kit. It contains 35% H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Also, do not freeze in refrigerator. This is more than 25 years old brand and being used in practice. Now let's open it and check for the materials inside. Well, it has two pots of powder each containing 0.3 grams and that has to be mixed with the liquid present in the two bottles. It has two bottles of liquid 3 ml each. And 1 to 1.2 ml of gingival barrier and an instruction manual. Other than this, there are two micro brushes to apply mixed paste on the teeth and two dispensing tips used in gingival barrier tube to apply on the junction of the teeth and the gingiva in this manner. Now open the two powder pots and two H2O2 liquid bottles and mix them well with a plastic spatula inside the powder pot to make a thick viscous gel. You can mix these two on a mixing pad by using a plastic spatula. Now, either you can load this viscous gel into a syringe and apply it using a syringe on the teeth, or either you can apply it directly using the two micro brushes provided in the kit.
So I hope this video has given you some valuable information. If you want to check how dental bleaching is done on the patients, you can check our next video that how dental bleaching is done on patients. I'll post the link of the video in my description box. Also, if you have already used this product, then do mention your comments and your feedback of the product in the comment box. And like, share and subscribe to our channel in which we post more such informative videos related to dental treatments. Stay healthy. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.